Stats Group is one of the market leaders in the supply of pressurized pipeline isolation, hot tapping and plugging services to the global oil and gas and petrochemical industries. The process of internationalization has allowed the business to expand its geographical footprint by regional investment and exporting innovative technology and services. In 2014, around 47% of Stats Group's revenue came from global exports. By 2016, that figure had grown to 77%. To support this internationalization strategy, Stats Group has invested in a regional-based business model supported from its headquarters in Aberdeen. This has resulted in new investment in office and workshop facilities in Abu Dhabi, Edmonton, Qatar, Houston and most recently Malaysia to support global operations. Stats Group describes its strategy as challenging yet very rewarding and says winning this award would recognize the group becoming a key supplier of subsea hot tapping and isolation services to the international oil and gas industry.